bí wọ́n bá ń sọ nípa àyípadà fáwọn tó bá mọ bí ayẹyẹ ọdún Liṣabi agbòǹgbò àkàlà ti àwọn Ẹ̀gbá ṣe máa ń wáyé lọ́dọọdún nílùú Abẹ́òkúta, wọn yóò mọ̀ pé àrà ọ̀tun ní tọdún 2025 gbà wáyé lọ́jọ́ 5 oṣù kẹrin. Ìdí rèé tí wọ́n fi pe àkórí rẹ̀ ní Ẹ̀gbáliganza 2025, níbi tí onírúurú ìmúra àràmàǹdà ti wáyé. Fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ nínú ìtàn, àwọn Ẹ̀gbá jẹ́wọ́ pé lótìítọ́ ni àwọn ń léwájú nínú àṣà, ìṣe àti ìdásílẹ̀ ìlú nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Nílẹ̀ Yorùbá lónìí, ọ̀kan pàtàkì ní ìlú Ẹ̀gbá, pàápàá ìlú Abẹ́òkúta jẹ́ láàrin àwọn ìlú tó wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Kò sì sẹ́ni tó lè kóyún Ẹ̀gbá kéré nílẹ̀ Yorùbá káàkiri àgbáyé. Ìlú Ẹ̀gbá ni wọ́n ń pè ní ìlú kan ọba 5, nítorí pé àwọn ọba aládé 5 ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ tí wọ́n wà nípò àkọ́kọ́ ni wọ́n wà nílùú Ẹ̀gbá, èyí tí Aláké ilẹ̀ Ẹ̀gbá jẹ́ olórí wọn. Aláké ilẹ̀ Ẹ̀gbá, Ọ̀ṣílẹ̀ òkè ọ̀nà, Àgùrà tìlú Gbàgùrà, Olówu tìlú Òwu àti Olúbàrà tìlú Ìbàrà. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé àwọn Ìbàrà kò gbà pé orí ilẹ̀ Ẹ̀gbá làwọn wà, nítorí tí wọ́n gbà pé ilẹ̀ Yewa ni orírun wọn, ṣùgbọ́n síbẹ̀ àárín ilẹ̀ Ẹ̀gbá náà ni wọ́n tẹ̀dó sí. Àwọn ẹ̀kan ni wọ́n wà ní gbàgede ayẹyẹ tí ààfin Aké lọ́jọ́ 5 oṣù kẹrin ọdún 2025 tí à ń sọ yìí. Gómìnà Dàpọ̀ Abíọ́dún sọ̀rọ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni Sẹ́nitọ̀ Ìbíkúnlé Amósùn sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ ohun tí wọ́n sọ nípa ayẹyẹ ọdún Liṣabi 2025 tó wáyé, èyí tí wọ́n pè ní Ẹ̀gbáliganza 2025.
GCFR and his very amiable wife, Chief Mrs. Obasanjo. Lady of the State and my wife, Mrs. Excellency, the Deputy Governor of the State, the Speaker of the State Assembly, past governors of the state that are here present, Baba Talongbemu, Liṣabi, Excellency, Senator Ìbíkúnlé Amósùn and his wife, Olúfúnṣọ́ Amósùn. The senator representing Ogun Central Senator District, Senator Shoaib Abdul, as a form of courtesies to all members of the National Assembly that are here present, the Secretary of the State Government, the Head of Service, my Chief of Staff, Honorable Ladi Adebutu, members of the State Executive Council, permitted to use the Honorable Commissioner for Culture and Tourism as a point of courtesies to all members of the State Executive Council. All members of the State House of Assembly are present. All council chairmen are present, particularly the council chairman of Abẹ́òkúta South and Abẹ́òkúta North. Reverend Majesty, our revered Kábíyèsí, the Aláké and paramount ruler of Ẹ̀gbáland and his olórí, Ọba Dr. Adébẹ̀tù Àrẹ̀mú Adébọ̀ and olórí Ọlátúnbọ̀ Báyọ̀, Deputy Chairman, all our distinguished and eminent royal fathers that have come from all the nooks and crannies of Ẹ̀gbáland. Permit me to appreciate and recognize His Excellency, the former Nigerian Commissioner to the United Kingdom, Honorable Sharafa Tunji Shola, the Chairman of the Civil Service Commission, and you have to go for who is part of this planning committee. Of our ASPA speakers, former SSGs, all our Ẹgba high chiefs and violence they are present, all members of various groups and associations, our son of the soil, who is now the Director General of the National Sports Commission, all that eminent and esteemed sons and daughters of Ẹgba, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Rise here. Rise here. Ní Ìjẹ̀bú, a máa ń kọrin kan, a máa ń sọ pé a máa ń kọjá máa ní èyí máa dùn tó òwe, èyí máa dùn tó òwe, èyí máa dùn tó falákẹ́lẹ́ lẹ́yìn o, ayé èlé o, èyí máa dùn tó. No, this is indeed a very beautiful and colorful location. In my opinion, this is the best of the Liṣabi Day celebration. This is the absolute best. I can see all our high chiefs. I can see Kabiyesi himself looking like Liṣabi himself. I can see all our women and all our men very beautifully dressed and adorned. Kabiyesi, congratulations. Today's event stands as a glowing tribute to Liṣabi Akala, the revered progenitor of the Ẹgba people. It marks yet another celebration of noble ancestry, rich culture and heritage, and the exceptional values of a remarkable people, the Ẹgba. Honoring a national hero of Liṣabi stature is without a doubt a source of immense pride for a people deeply conscious of their historical roots. I'd like to extend my heart's commendations to our revered Kabiyesi, His Royal Majesty, Ọba Dr. Adedotun Aremu Gbadebo CFR, the Alake and paramount ruler of the entire Ẹgba land. I want to thank Kabiyesi for his fatherly guidance and his tireless commitment to preserving the grandeur and essence of this beautiful and monumental event. Like I said earlier, this is pushing the bar and raising the bar. My commendation also goes to all our royal fathers in Ẹgba land, the Council of High Chiefs, the fathers of Ẹgba communities, and every son and daughter of Ẹgba land. I'd like to equally applaud, of course, the planning committee and all those who have contributed in every way to the successful hosting of yet another truly noble and remarkable festival. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it has already been said that unhappy is the land that has no heroes, and even more unhappy is the one that forgets them. A sentiment originally expressed by someone. Liṣabi in his time was a courageous advocate for self-determination and the political emancipation of Ẹgba people. He embodied valor, discipline, visionary leadership, and patriotic zeal. These qualities indeed set him apart as a foundational figure in the pursuit of justice and liberty, values which remain indispensable for socio-economic development. Today, every Ẹgba born proudly bears the title of Liṣabi Akala, a testament to the enduring legacy of a man whose name will forever echo through the annals of history. This annual event is not just a celebration of Liṣabi's patriotism and virtues, but also a powerful platform that projects the cultural richness and enduring values of the Black people, and by extension, Ogun State to the wider world. As we honor the sacrifices and heroism of our forebears, we must recognize that their legacy is not merely to be admired, but it must be emulated. Their noble deeds should inspire us towards greater achievements, both individually and collectively. For us as a government, we recognize that the Land holds a strategic position in the development trajectory of Ogun State. The history of the Ẹgba is rich with tales of agricultural ingenuity, resilience and innovation. It is this deep-rooted connection to the land that we seek to rekindle, particularly through the lens of sustainability and youth empowerment. In this regard, the theme of this year's festival, which is Back to Land, on the share for food, sustainability, and youth employment in Ẹgba, is not only timely, but indeed visionary. It aligns seamlessly with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda and initiative for agricultural and food sustainability. It also aligns with the Ogun State government on policy thrust, which prioritizes food security and youth engagement. This theme is a clarion call to action, a reminder that our fertile land, if properly harnessed, can become a cornerstone of economic resilience. As the cultural historian and tourism advocate, Ọdun once remarked, culture is that oil that lubricates the engine of tourism and national development, unquote. By tapping into agricultural and cultural heritage, we pave the way for a future that is not only self-sustaining, but economically inclusive. Global tourism expert and consultant Dr. Talongbemu stated, tourism is a force for peace, for understanding, and for economic progress. Cultural festivals like this, like Liṣabi, not only preserve our heritage, but also will continue to attract cultural tourism, which drives local economies and empowers communities. To this end, our administration is embarking on a massive renovation, restoration of all our rich cultural heritage sites across the state. Only last week, I visited Olumoro, and I was not pleased with what I saw, despite the fact that yearly over 20,000 people visit Olumoro yearly. I want to assure you that in the next few weeks, Olumoro could be wearing a befitting new look. We will continue to roll out initiatives that promote organic farming, agroecology, technology, and community-based agricultural processes. These initiatives aim not only to boost food production, but also to generate employment and preserve our environment. Through strategic investments, we're empowering our youth, energizing rural communities as part of our broader commitment to growth and development. Furthermore, we have embarked on an aggressive infrastructural transformation. Today, every major highway entering Ogun State has been reconstructed. Every major highway entering Ogun State. We will also be paying attention to our rural roads, the roads that connect our farmlands to town. Our unwavering support for Liṣabi Festival is a reflection of our dedication to the successful execution of our Building our Future Together agenda. It is our hope that this celebration will continue to serve as a unifying force, strengthening the bonds of peace, unity, and cooperation amongst all segments of the Ẹgba nation and Ogun State and now. As we celebrate today, I urge everyone to cherish the uniqueness of Liṣabi Day, not merely as a cultural festivity, but as an opportunity to consolidate peaceful coexistence, uphold our shared values, and deepen our collective commitment to wholesome development. Before I conclude, I once again congratulate our revered Cabinet, His Royal Majesty, Oba Dr. Adedotun Gbadebo, CFR, on this very auspicious occasion. I want to appreciate him for the remarkable socio-economic transformation taking place in Abeokuta and across Ẹgba land during his reign. I also, only yesterday, we met with a private sector participant. We will be constructing a truly creative arts and entertainment village in Ogun State. It should be ready for commissioning in 90 days. I want to appreciate all our other candidates and all those who have played a role in the successful celebration that we are witnessing today. I want to thank all sons and daughters of Ẹgba land, both at home and in diaspora. We'll keep going. Aku ọdún, aku ìyètò, ẹbí wa ń ṣọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀. I want to wish all of you a fulfilling and enjoyable celebration, and thank you all for listening to me. God bless you. Ìgbéga ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn.
Congratulate ourselves for witnessing another Liṣabi Day. What people forget is that they forget who we are. We are Abeokuta, the cradle of civilization. This is where Nigerians, anybody in Nigeria, first have access to Western education. Beyond that, Abeokuta has existed even before corporate Nigeria, before Nigeria, entity of Nigeria. We have our own government, so people copy whatever we do here. So it is just in the, probably in the spirit and in the way we are that we are having this. Now, people say this is very good, it's good, but I'm sure from next year it will begin to be very good. It will be what we call, you know what, we have something that we call Ogun Standard. But truly, Ogun Standard emanated from Abeokuta Standard. We own that. So now you will see what Ogun Standard is through the prism of Abeokuta. From next year, they will see how things are organized, things are done, and the atmosphere, the platform, everything will be top-notch. We are not there yet, but we are moving there and we'll get there.
Àwíkóńkó fún ìpínlẹ̀kẹ̀ òtítọ́ àti àwíjàre ẹ tẹ̀lé wa lórí YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter àti TikTok pẹ̀lú www.awikonko.com.ng.